Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to carry out a two-peg test to check the accuracy of your automatic level. First of all, you have to pick a distance, say 60 meters. You can say in the 60 meters, you're going to say the center. You're going to stay at the center. You set up this, your auto level at the center of the 60 meters. So the 2 points, A and B, your auto level is going to be set up in the middle of both of them. It can be 50 meters, whichever one you choose. It can be 40 meters, it can be 30 meters. But don't let it be less than 30 meters so that you have a good check. So you're going to set up your auto level in between the 2 points, A and B. So you're going to now level your instrument over the middle of the both points. To level this, you can use the tripod when these screws are on approximately the same level. So you can use the tripod to level the center bubble. You can say so you can set up, you can level this, or you can level with your screw. You can just rotate it, the screws, so that your bubble falls into the center. Now, your staff holder is going to be, so your assistant is going to carry your staff to point A, and you pick the height of point A. So you are going to record whatever you get from the elevation of point A. So you are going to name it A1 equals to, so you check it, okay, done. So now you've recorded point A. You are now going to record point B1. So your assistant is now going to move to the other point, to the other end of the line. So when your assistant is there, you turn your equipment, then you will sight it. Okay, turn. So after picking the point of A1, A2, you will move a little bit after it. Then you will sight both points again. You will not turn the B point into a back sight. So let's go. So you take it from the center, just a little bit behind the point B. Once you are behind point B, you level it. Once you finish leveling, the assistant stands on point B. So you take the back side of point B. You will now go to for sight point A. So now you've taken the foresight of point A. What you have to do now is do a little bit office work, which is reducing the levels and calculating the accuracy. Okay, so this is how you record it actually. This is how you record what you take. So the first point you measure, which is 1.644 for A. The B, 1.554. So you backsighted to A, to B rather, backsighted to B again, 1.543. And then you foresighted to A, which is now the last one, 1.640. So you will then look for the average, the division, the subtraction rather. So this minus this, you have, okay, so you add both of them, 7, 8, this is 3. You add this, this 9, this 1, this 3. So you subtract this from this. So you have subtraction. So you now have, this is 400. So which is